Jaguar. It is the largest cat in the Americas and the apex predator of the Amazon rainforest. Unlike leopards, which it closely resembles, the jaguar is heavier, more muscular, and far more comfortable in water. It hunts caimans, capybaras, deer, and fish with equal ease, making it one of the most versatile predators on the planet. Its bite is the strongest of any big cat relative to its size, powerful enough to pierce a turtle's shell or crush the skull of its prey directly. The distinctive rosette patterns on its coat are unique to each individual, much like a human fingerprint. Jaguars have been central figures in the mythology and spiritual life of Amazonian indigenous cultures for thousands of years. Anaconda. Few animals in the world inspire the same level of awe and fear as this massive snake. There's the green anaconda is the heaviest snake on Earth, with large females reaching weights of over 200 kilograms and lengths exceeding 8 meters. It is not venomous. Instead, it kills by constriction, coiling around prey and tightening its grip each time the animal exhales until the heart stops. Anacondas are semi-aquatic, spending much of their time in slow-moving rivers and swamp where their enormous bulk is supported by water. They can swallow whole animals as large as a deer or a caiman, then go weeks or months without needing to eat again. Despite their fearsome reputation, attacks on humans are extremely rare. Giant otter. Highly social and remarkably loud, the giant otter is one of the most charismatic animals in the Amazon basin. It can reach nearly 2 meters in length, making it the longest member of the weasel family. The giant otters live in family groups of up to 8 individuals and are intensely cooperative, hunting together and defending their territory with a range of vocalizations that can be heard from considerable distances. They feed primarily on fish, consuming several kilograms per day. Their short, dense fur was once highly prized by fur traders, and relentless hunting nearly drove them to extinction in the 20th century. Today they are considered vulnerable, with populations slowly recovering in protected river systems. Tapir. It looks like an odd cross between a pig and an elephant, and its closest living relatives are actually horses and rhinoceroses. The South American tapir is the largest land mammal native to the Amazon, and it plays a crucial role in the forest health, as it moves through the jungle eating fruits and plants, and it disperses seeds across vast distances through its dung, effectively planting trees. Its flexible, elongated snout works like a short trunk, used for grasping vegetation and sniffing out food. Tapirs are excellent swimmers and often take to rivers to escape predators or cool down. They are largely solitary and nocturnal, which made them difficult to study for many years. Capybara. It is the largest rodent on Earth, and it wears that title with surprising calm and grace. Capybaras are semi-aquatic animals that live along riverbanks, lakes, and wetlands throughout the Amazon region. They are highly social, living in groups of 10 to 20 individuals, sometimes gathering in even larger numbers near water sources. Their eyes, ears, and nostrils are all positioned high on their head, allowing them to remain nearly fully submerged while still sensing their surroundings. They are remarkably tolerant animals and are known to share space peacefully with birds, monkeys, and even predators on occasion. Almost every major Amazon predator, from the jaguar to the anaconda and the harpy eagle, includes the capybara in its diet. Black caiman. This is the largest predator in the Amazon River system and one of the largest reptiles in the world. Black caimans can exceed 5 meters in length and are built for ambush, lying motionless near riverbanks before striking with explosive speed. Unlike their smaller relatives, black caimans are apex predators capable of taking large prey, including capybaras, deer, and even anacondas. Their dark coloration helps them absorb heat during the day and remain concealed at night. Only they were hunted heavily throughout the 20th century for their skin, bringing populations to critically low levels. Conservation efforts have allowed them to recover substantially in protected areas of the Amazon basin. Piranha. Its reputation is far more dramatic than its reality, but it remains one of the most fascinating fish in the Amazon. Piranhas are equipped with interlocking razor-sharp teeth and powerful jaws, and they can strip flesh from bone with remarkable efficiency. They are primarily scavengers, however, playing an important role in cleaning up dead and dying animals from the river. Mass feeding frenzies are real, but usually triggered by extreme conditions, such as overcrowding in shrinking dry season pools. There are over 60 known species of piranha in the Amazon basin, and many are primarily herbivorous, or feeding on seeds, fruits, and plant material. Indigenous communities have long used piranha teeth as cutting tools because of their exceptional sharpness. Electric eel. Despite its name, it is not actually an eel, but a type of knife fish more closely related to catfish. The electric eel is capable of generating electric discharges of up to 800 volts, making it the most powerful living source of bioelectricity. electricity known to science. It uses low voltage pulses for navigation and communication in the murky river waters where visibility is almost zero. When hunting or threatened, it unleashes high voltage shocks that can stun or kill prey and deter even large predators. A single shock is unlikely to kill a healthy adult human, but repeated shocks or falling unconscious in water can be extremely dangerous. Electric eels surface regularly to breathe air as they derive most of their oxygen from the atmosphere rather than the water. Toucan, its oversized, colourful bill, makes it one of the most iconic and immediately recognizable birds of the Amazon. Despite the bill's impressive size, it is lightweight and hollow, made of a network of bony fibers that provide structure without adding mass. The bill is used to reach fruit on branches too thin to support the bird's full weight, and it also plays a role in regulating body temperature by releasing heat. Toucans are important seed dispersers in the rainforest, swallowing fruit whole and depositing seeds far from the parent tree. They nest in hollows of trees, often using cavities made by woodpeckers. And they are highly social birds and communicate with a series of croaking and rattling calls that carry surprisingly far through the forest. Leafcutter ant. These ants do not eat the leaves they cut. That distinction matters because it reveals something extraordinary about how they live. Leafcutter ants carry freshly cut plant material back to their underground colonies, sometimes traveling hundreds of meters to use as a growing medium for a specific fungus that the colony cultivates and feeds on. The colony functions as an agricultural system that has been running for millions of years. A single leafcutter colony can contain several million individuals and move tens of kilograms of plant material every day, making them one of the most significant forces of vegetation removal in the rainforest. And their tunnels can extend several meters underground and contain specialized chambers for farming, waste disposal, and housing the queen. Pink river dolphin. It is real, and it is one of the strangest and most captivating animals in the Amazon. The pink river dolphin, known locally as the boto, is the largest of the world's freshwater dolphin species. Its pink coloration becomes more vivid as the animal ages and intensifies during social excitement or physical activity. Unlike ocean dolphins, it has an unfused neck vertebra, allowing it to turn its head 90 degrees, which helps it navigate the flooded forests it moves through during the wet season. Its brain is proportionally larger than that of most marine dolphins, and it has demonstrated problem-solving abilities in the wild. In Amazonian folklore, the boto is a shape-shifting creature of considerable supernatural significance, a reflection of how deeply embedded it is in the culture of riverside communities. Ocelot, smaller than a jaguar but just as precisely built for hunting. The ocelot is a medium-sized wild cat found throughout the Amazon and much of South and Central America. It is strictly nocturnal, using exceptional night vision and sensitive hearing to locate prey in complete darkness. Ocelots hunt a wide range of animals from rodents and birds to lizards and small deer. Unlike many cats, they are comfortable climbing trees and swimming, giving them access to prey across multiple layers of the rainforest environment. Their beautifully marked fur made them a prime target for the fur trade during the 20th century when millions were killed. But international trade in ocelot fur is now banned, and populations